Many companies struggle with inefficient scheduling that leads to high windshield time and missed appointments. With ServiceTrade's Dispatch Board, contractors are saving up to 16 hours per week, leading to improved scheduling, smoother service delivery, and more billable hours each day. Here is where a scheduler spends the majority of their day, looking at the dispatch board with jobs ready to be scheduled. They can use a day, week, or month view, depending on what they need at the moment. Users can quickly see all the technicians on the left, their schedule of jobs, and importantly, which jobs are ready to be scheduled and assigned. They can simply drag and drop work to the right technician based on availability and location. They're even able to adjust the duration of the appointment as it's assigned. ServiceTrade helps schedulers stay focused. In the same available jobs menu, schedulers can filter by job type, service line, office, among others. In ServiceTrade, managers can create tags that meet the needs of their business. For example, priority customers may have a Tier A tag. This allows schedulers to easily filter by that tag and quickly find and schedule the most important work first. ServiceTrade also streamlines the process for schedulers to create jobs on the fly. This is particularly helpful when customers call in for repairs or emergency service. From the dispatch board, users click on the Add Job button. From here, users can search for existing locations by location name, phone number, or address. If necessary, a new contact can be created if the caller does not currently exist at the location, or users can select an existing contact by clicking the drop-down menu. Users then select the job type, the affected asset, if applicable, and provide a description of the issue the customer is facing. Once all information has been collected, we click Save. It's then a simple matter to return to our Available Jobs section, search for the job we just created, and add it to a technician's schedule. The system's map-based scheduler provides all the information a scheduler needs to make good decisions fast. By zooming in on an area, you can see jobs for today and where your techs are. Color coding helps easily identify scheduled and unscheduled jobs, so you can assign technicians who are located nearby, keeping technicians from traveling long distances between appointments where possible, and decreasing windshield time and increasing service calls per day. By the map scheduler or dispatch board, users can switch between day, week, and month views. Or they can use the capacity planner to balance workloads. You can also easily use the Technician Away feature to manage PTO across the team. This means they can reduce windshield time, increase daily service calls, and ensure the right technician with the right expertise gets to every job. Other platforms make dispatching harder than it should be. ServiceTrade makes it simple. Easily manage daily operations and ensure the right tech gets to the right job every time.